Same for me. I don't really enjoy drawing. It's bien. Ah, oh, ouais, fan. Okay. You also could have been a fan of Murakami Haruki. Well, it's not exactly 84, but I understand. So I'm the only one born in the in the 80s, fortunately. Non. Qu'est-ce que j'ai changé la gomme? Yeah. Sometimes it surprises people when I say I'm not really enjoying drawing. They have a hard time uh, picturing someone who is doing art for work, not enjoying drawing. I enjoy drawing, but I enjoy drawing when it's my working time. You know what I mean? So, for example, when people say to me, "Hey, this Saturday we will do some sketches in this part of the park. It will be so great. Please come." And I'm like politely saying, um, uh, mm, I will pass because I hate drawing, live drawing and stuff like this, and I hate doing doodle and just spending my free time drawing. If it's not for my comic books. I know it's supposed to be important to do live drawings and look at the world, but there is nothing I hate more than. That's why every time Said Omar is asking me, "Hey, let's do a Scribblio together," I'm like, no, no, that's a joke. I would be really happy to try because it looks like a game. I enjoy doing my comic books. I enjoy writing stories and writing characters and stuff like this. So. Thanks, Misholov. Thanks for joining the team. We were just saying shit as usual. We're talking nonsense. Yeah, but I think we are a lot, and this is Alexandre Diboine. If you know Alexandre Diboine on Twitter, that was saying that. He was saying, "I'm sorry, I really don't enjoy drawing," and I was really thinking like, "Oh, I'm not the only one thinking like this." And there were many people saying to him, "Dude, change your job. If you're not enjoying drawing, why are you an illustrator?" Yeah, but you know, sometimes we don't have any other talents and we have to pay the bill like everyone else, so. But even some artist friends were like not believing me. I mean, my fellow and dear friends from Atelier Cento, if they come and see this video at some point, I was talking with them in Japan. It was like 2 years ago, and I was saying, "Yeah, I think you are really courageous because you still enjoy drawing and as a hobby and stuff." And I really hate drawing. And they were really like, "Come on, dude, stop playing." And I didn't know how to put it. I was like, and I think they still don't believe me. I enjoy it in a way. Like when I can speak with you, when I can do this kind of projects and stuff, but going outside, drawing the park, like nature stuff, come on. We are not looking at Yes Man here. It's the real life. Do sketchbook, it's really important as an artist to do sketchbook. Do you know all these comments like, if you want to do this, do sketchbook. It's a really important part of the process. Don't be afraid to miss, to do crap on some pages. Well, no, I don't. I can't do that. I'm sorry. If I make one drawing that is shitty on my sketchbook, I stop the sketchbook. And anyway, I don't like sketchbooks, so I just do everything on normal paper. And then I throw the paper, the A4 paper. I throw it in the garbage. People on Twitter will say to you, keep your old drawing. One day when you will be Renoir, we will expose them in the blah blah blah. No, throw it on the garbage. It takes space for nothing. The future museum will be all online. Don't worry. I'm a boomer, I know. Oh, sorry. It's okay. I'm trolling on purpose. Don't worry. Thank you, Tonke. I bugged you with Scribble Leo. No. I really, I'm really looking forward to play with you. I don't really know the rules and anything. I checked on the internet because it looks like it's a bit easy. I mean, because it's just you have to draw the word you choose, and I don't know if you know how to draw Darth Vader. I mean, it can be really easily done. So maybe the point is to play it when you're really drunk and you're really struggling with every line. I don't know. I want to try. Shaper, do you recognize the song? It means it's soon the end of the... No, not at all. Well, okay. Yeah. Dibuan, my idol. I can't believe what I'm hearing now. That's a joke. I like Alexandre as well. Drogon! You made the good choice, joining the team. Drogon. Or Draugen. Draugen. Or Drogon. If you're French. Since everyone is French, almost. If you're not French, I can make you become French. Who wants to become French? It's really great. Everyone loves you in the entire world, even if your country is a bit silly. Everyone thinks, oh, you're French, that's so great. I love Paris. There is so great buildings. I love Montmartre and the Louvre and Diderot and Renoir. Yes, you like France like in Amélie. You like France in the 19th century and stuff like this, yeah. Well, we are, let's be honest, we are all European. A lot of the people here are from Europe, so I guess they know about real France. But here in Japan, it's still working. If they have never been to France, it's still working. They are still like, Au France. It's even the only country that they call Au France. Like there is a particle that says the polite particle for the country. We are the only one to have this one. Au France. It's so great in their mind that they think they have to put us on a pedestal. And they go to France at some point. Yeah. Poor souls. I don't remember if it was true or if it was like an urban legend, but I think in Paris there were special cells for Japanese that were becoming a bit how to put it nicely, that were feeling bad about their image of Paris was so strong and the reality was so different that it was breaking something inside them, and they had difficulties breathing and stuff like this, so they had a special cell. Maybe it was urban legend, I have no idea, but I still hear about it, so maybe, who knows, maybe it's true. I don't know. Drogan! Crise d'angoisse direct. Yes. Ah, ils avaient qu'à pas se monter le bourricot en regardant Amélie Poulain. Hein. Enfin, en pensant que c'était la réalité surtout. But I take advantage of this situation. Of course, when people say, France, you're French, oh my god, Sugoya. I say, yeah. I like vin, I like wine, I like cheese. Enchanté. Yes. Yeah. I'm a nephew of the guy who constructed the Louvre. No, I don't lie like this. I should though. But I think it's unfair for other countries in Europe, like everywhere else, because, well, it's France, you know. It's not better than Germany and Spain, Italy, Belgium, Portugal, Greece and stuff, so I don't know why. Let's enjoy it while it lasts. But they still don't get the sarcasm. They really don't get it. Some people don't like French in Japan because they think they are always telling lies. I guess it's because just French were using sarcasm and they were like, huh? Do you all understand sarcasm? If I look at you and I'm like, oh yeah, you're the greatest artist I've seen in my life. You understand that I'm joking, right? Because it's obviously me. You got it? It was sarcasm as well. I don't know if everyone in Europe gets it. I hope so. That's the best thing French people invented. Did we invent this thing? I don't know. I have a lot of British friends in Japan and they all really understand it. They get it, they do joke like this, and I'm like, oh my god, finally someone to understand. I don't use it with my American friends though. Sometimes they don't get it, so when I say sometimes, it's most of the time. already 1 hour and we didn't do anything. Oh my god. If I don't have enough time, I will do the lighting stuff. Wow, takes long. But you understand the process, right? Just a shadow will highlight the volumes to make it 3D. I know that everyone really laughs when I say 3D, when I use 3D like this. They don't laugh because it's funny. They laugh because it's stupid to use this word for describing the volume of an object. Baguette, croissant, camembert. Merci beaucoup, Drogan. Drogan. On va t'appeler comme ça maintenant. So what do you think about everything I said? Weird guy. Do you have any thing to say about life itself? What do you think about life? Are you like me? You think it's useless? You know, I think life is quite not yours, but mine. So I have no ego. And I see a lot of people around me and some people saying, let's do this, let's become really good in drawing. And I'm always like, yeah, you know, it's okay. And I have some colleagues saying like, but why? If you don't want to progress, I don't know what's the point. But I don't know what is the point to progressing. I mean, what if I become the best artist in the world? And everyone says so, and I have street with my name. Will it make me immortal? No. Will I care about a street with my name if I'm dead? No. Oh, I need more whiskey. I'm saying too many great stuff, dude. It's profound, dude. It looks like guys when you're drinking, when you're smoking marijuana and then you're starting speaking about life. Dude, I love what you say, dude. We are all like a little drop of water in the universe, dude. Do you like Cloud Atlas, dude? I love Cloud Atlas actually, sorry. It's a joke. I love Cloud Atlas and I really hope they are right. I really hope the Wachowskis are right and we are all a little part of the universe and everything we make is important. Even if I don't believe it, I really hope it's true. You can make a difference. Sometimes I wish my parents were religious. Could have helped me looking the world as a bit differently. I hate you, Dad. It's all your fault. That's not true. I don't hate you, Dad. Not at all. I'm sorry, Papa. Did you miss my Papa? I really don't like when, you know, in a novel like, I don't know, it's usually in novel like Jane Austen stuff and they say, I want to say that to my Papa. No, I want to punch you when you say that. isn't it in Jane Eyre that the description of the girl is like, her name is Jane and she was crazy beautiful and so on and so on. It goes like this. And the girl who wrote the novel is called Jane as well. Is it like if I make a comic book and the hero will be named Loic and he will be super beautiful and have a romance with a crazy beautiful countess? She will be rich and I don't remember, she cannot see, right? She has an accident in a fire or something. I don't really remember. Maybe I'm mistaken. I'm sorry if that's the case. But I guess I have a lot of... I still have some time before me on the road of becoming a megalomaniac. I guess Jane Austen is a bit... yeah, I'm just saying crap for the sake of saying crap, so I will not continue. Mais pourquoi, là, you see, the thing that is not going well is why here it's yellow and there is a volume here, and here there is not. It makes no sense at all. So this is not good. Sorry, it was all a joke, all this crap I was saying. Please don't leave. Nobody is speaking anymore. The dude is a creep. Yeah, no, it's a joke. Don't worry. If you were speaking about something, I would not be forced to do all the speaking by myself. The more I speak and the more I feel like I'm Michael Scott from The Office, you know. The more I say something, the more it's stupid. Voilà, on est obligé de corriger parce que sinon ça n'a aucun sens. En haut. You see? Now it makes sense. I guess. Non mais je me tais, voilà, si c'est ça. Non mais j'ai bien compris que voilà, j'arriverai jamais à faire un culte de la personnalité autour de moi, que vous veniez juste pour les dessins, et puis voilà, basta. Non mais si on en est réduit à faire ça, voilà, on va plus parler, puis c'est tout quoi. Tant pis quoi. Voilà quoi. Tant pis quoi. C'est Joey Star dans les Muppets. Dans les années 90. Hello Sandra. Sandra Chaiban. Je dis toujours Chaiban. Oh putain, je suis en dissolve. I'm in dissolve. Tell me when I'm in dissolve. Je dis toujours Chaiban. Parce que je prononce à la japonaise, mais j'imagine que c'est Chaiban en vrai. Chaiban. Saiban en japonais, ça veut dire le procès. Voilà. Chaiban, je crois que ça veut rien dire. Chai, c'est le... J'ai rien. C'est du thé. Donc non, on peut rien faire avec ton nom, je suis désolé. Voilà. Next. Next. Do you know Next? It was a TV show in the beginning of the 2000. It was a girl or a guy who could date people, and they were all in. There were 6 or 7 in a bus, and they were all saying like, "Dude, I will rock the world of this girl. You will see," and stuff. And they were all more crappy and one each other, and they were just going out of the bus, and the girl was saying, "Next." I always say it was better before, but I'm not so sure. Non, là c'est de la merde. J'ai passé trop de temps là-bas. Oh! So you see the light will come from here, so no way there is a shadow here if I want to put some light over there. Do you understand the process, the coloring process? Usually I always I separate the stuff, you know, so this way you can add some lighting effects for each part of the drawing. If you don't do like this, you will have to do masks, and it's really tedious to make, so. So it's Friday, huh? It's the weekend. Are you happy? I'm happy, personally. Although weekend or weekdays, it doesn't change a lot, but I don't know. I still have this little excitement like when I was going to school. Like, it's Friday night. I was not speaking like this when I was Kodomo. When I was a kid, sorry. Next time I will do the whole live in Japanese, so if I say crap, you will not judge me anyway. Et toc, je les ai bien eu là, les gars. Ils sont bien attrapés. Je sais pas. Ah, c'est la classe américaine. Je vais leur faire une bonne charade et ils seront bien emmerdés. Je crois que c'est ça. Do you know La Classe Américaine? It's the best movie, but unfortunately, if you're not French, you cannot understand it. We are cheating a little. Of course, the light cannot come until here. To this, it cannot reach this point, I think. But who cares? Never said it has to be realistic. Now it sounds like it's the end of the album, and yes, soon. So. Loïc, on est très sage, on t'écoute. Bah oui, merci. Tu enlèves le tche et tu es bon niveau prononciation. Shaiban? Pour de vrai? Oui, en japonais, tche c'est. Le CH c'est tche, c'est pour ça que j'ai pris l'habitude. C'est une mauvaise habitude d'ailleurs parce que maintenant je dis Michigan au lieu de Michigan. Et ouais, j'ai pris l'habitude de le dire comme ça. Donc, please, les gens qui disent le voyage de Chihiro, non, c'est Chihiro. Et si tu dis Chihiro, les Japonais ils te regardent et ils se disent mais de quoi tu me parles? Qu'est-ce que tu me racontes là? Et pareil, le S c'est comme en anglais, donc c'est un S quoi, c'est pas un Z. Donc votre soupe miso, vous la gardez. C'est du miso, évidemment. Alors, j'en ai d'autres, hein, j'en ai tout un paquet comme ça si vous voulez. Entre ça et les gens qui me disent que le miso c'est végétarien, on entend passer des conneries. The music is stressing me a bit. I have to finish this drawing fast. Mais non, mais Westray là, il n'a rien à faire là. Why is this? Mais non, mur gauche, branlos. Tu bosses sur de nouvelles BD en ce moment. Je bosse le week-end. Ah ben, désolé pour toi. Ouais, ça nous arrive à tous. Attends, mon micro il est un petit peu. Oh. Hop. Je bosse sur les Flavor Girls, toujours. J'ai bientôt fini un album, donc j'espère pouvoir le faire éditer. Qu'est-ce qui est arrivé à mon sol? Je l'ai pas remis. Éditer cette année, un premier volume si j'y arrive, en anglais. Et je fais de la bande dessinée pour ma boîte, et ça sortira en 2022. Et j'espère commencer d'autres projets à côté aussi. C'est vrai que ça fait longtemps que j'ai pas sorti de nouveaux albums, ça fait 4 ans, et puis en tout ça fera 6 quand le prochain sortira. Il y a quoi de végé? Pas de végé dans le miso. Le miso, c'est à base de dashi, qui est une soupe, qui est fait avec du poisson. Donc si vous êtes piscitarien, c'est bon, le miso. Mais pour les autres, en tout cas, le miso sans poisson, au Japon, ça existe quasiment pas. Donc, je sais pas comment c'est en France, mais je vois parfois passer dans des trucs un peu bien-être de nana en France, buvez du miso, c'est vegan et tout, mais pas du tout quoi. À moins que le poisson soit considéré vegan maintenant, ou qu'elles aient trouvé un miso spécial, mais du miso de base, il y a toujours du dashi dedans. C'est pas écrit derrière la boîte, parce que c'est obvious pour les japonais, mais c'est à base de poisson. Il y a du poisson dans la composition. Miso, c'est des graines. Hein. Ce que je veux dire, c'est quand vous achetez vos petites soupes toutes prêtes à réchauffer au micro-ondes ou avec de l'eau de la bouilloire, et ben il y a du dashi dedans. Quoi. But yes, the colors are not over, so that's why. What am I doing? Sorry. I didn't sing Tattoo. Oh no, I was really ready to sing. All the things you said, running to my head, running to my head. This is not enough. Oh, oh. Yeah. I cannot do it. Sorry. But if you know Tattoo, you know it was almost like my version. I don't think they made any other songs. Maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Not me. Je me suis offert Perséphone pour les fêtes et j'ai trouvé ça génial. J'ai beaucoup aimé Flavor Girl aussi. Merci beaucoup. Vous voyez, ça c'est un bon compliment que j'accepte. J'aime bien quand vous me dites mes dessins ils sont bien, mais en vrai je m'en bats un peu l'ec. Mais j'aime beaucoup quand vous me dites que vous aimez mes bandes dessinées, c'est un peu pire. Merci beaucoup. If you don't know Persephone, you can find an English version on the internet, although it has not the same names as in my version, because in America it's easy to trouble them with kind of religious stuff, so Les Enfers became Hades, stuff like this, but they were forced to make this kind of changes, so the names are not the same. And they used more complicated words, so it looks like I'm an intelligent writer, but almost the same version as the French one, so check it out. You will give me €0 by buying it, but great effort. Ah ouais, ben ouais. C'était pas forcément le cas, c'était pas censé être forcément un one shot, mais ça l'est devenu par la force des choses. Ouais. J'avais un plus grand univers à explorer, mais c'est pas 100% mort. Sans vouloir m'avancer, il se pourrait qu'un jour dans le futur, avec beaucoup de chance, il y a environ à peu près 5% de chance, une estimation de moi-même, donc pas du tout accurate, que peut-être quelque chose d'autre se fasse autour du projet et que il y a un univers étendu, Perséphone. Who knows? On sent pas le poisson dans les soupes en France. Non, ben on le sent pas du tout. En fait, il y en a très très peu en vrai, hein, mais au Japon non plus, on le sent jamais. Hein. Le dashi, c'est à base de poisson, mais il n'y a pas que du poisson dedans, et c'est juste qu'ils en utilisent quoi. Donc si tu te dis vegan, quelqu'un qui se dit vegan et qui dit qu'il boit du miso, ben c'est faux quoi. Il faut juste qu'il fasse attention si vraiment ça lui importe quoi. Mais en vrai, c'est minime les doses qu'il y a dedans. Mais il y a, je pense, des gens qui sont vraiment très regardants et du coup, ben, ils sont un peu endus en erreur par des gens qui leur diraient que c'est vegan. Quoi. Ce serait comme que dire les dragibus c'est pas vegan parce qu'il y a un tout petit peu de porc dedans. Il y a de la graisse de porc, je crois. Est-ce que le dragibus est vegan? Bon, j'en sais rien. S'il ne l'est pas, ben la soupe miso ne l'est pas non plus. Quoi. Je pense qu'on peut faire cette comparaison douteuse. Non. Non. Sorry. 1 hour and a half! It's time for a little break for me. I will make some hot tea and come back and we'll finish. We'll put the lights now. I didn't do the shadows on the ground. I will do it later. We can do it just before the lights. So we will light the lights too. Then the shadows, put more shadows, then the altar. But I will just do what I can on live. Okay. Looks like this for now. Well, it's okay. It's not so bad. Huh? What do you think? Oh no, I will have to remove the light in this place. I will read your comments. Maybe I missed some, I'm sorry. Pourquoi tu dis ah cool Camille est là? Oh là là, ça fait cool Camille is back. It has been so long. I really thought I said something bad and she went away forever. But she's here. Je dis que ça me rapporte rien parce que ça me rapporte rien en fait pour l'instant. En fait, je rembourse l'avance sur droit et même en ayant vendu, sans rentrer dans des détails, une somme à 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chiffres aux États-Unis, par exemple. Une somme de livres, je veux dire. Et quand même quelques-uns en France aussi, eh bien, je ne touche toujours aucun euro sur Perséphone parce que j'ai signé un très mauvais contrat de droit de cession à l'étranger. Si j'avais signé un droit de cession à l'étranger mieux, où je gagnais 1 euro, enfin, je gagnais des sous à chaque publication à l'étranger, ce qui est normalement le cas, j'aurais gagné des sous sur Perséphone. Mais là, ben non. Ben, j'ai gagné mon avance sur droit, quoi. Il y a fort fort longtemps. Mais c'est ma faute. J'avais qu'à être un meilleur. J'avais qu'à obtenir un meilleur deal dans mon contrat ou je ne sais pas. C'est la vie. Mais au bout d'un moment, si toute la terre en achète un, ça va m'en rapporter, il n'y a pas de souci. Mais bon. Je parie pas là-dessus pour payer mon loyer, quoi. Bah ouais, bah ouais, ça se sentait. Je sais bien, l'histoire se termine presque pas au final. Enfin bon, ça rend fou. Ouais, c'est ça la BD. Hein. Enfin, si tu t'en sors mieux, en vrai, ça peut être mieux. Hein. Enfin, ça peut être tu peux en vivre et tout. Mais c'est juste. Moi, négocier des trucs, c'est vraiment pas mon fort. Et Perséphone, ça avait été une expérience spéciale. J'avais signé pour un autre livre à la base qui s'est transformé en Perséphone sur le tard, au moment même où je devais déjà commencer, où je touchais déjà des sous sur la bande dessinée, après avoir fait 50 pages d'une autre bande dessinée. Donc, ouais. Et ouais, ouais, et l'éditeur américain, la bande dessinée a eu beaucoup plus de succès à l'étranger qu'en France. Parce que mon public est peut-être, mon public, je déteste dire ça, mais peut-être plus international que français, et du coup, c'est pour ça que Flavor Girls, j'aimerais bien l'éditer en anglais, et enfin en anglais, ouais, avant de l'éditer en français en fait. Parce qu'il se vendra sûrement mieux que sur notre territoire. C'est quand même encore la BD qui est reine en France malgré tout, hein, et, ce genre de format. Je ne suis pas prophète en mon pays, voilà. Clairement pas prophète en mon pays. J'aurais dû faire de la BD soit beaucoup plus grand public, avec Perséphone, donc un graphisme pas du tout comme celui-là, pour plaire au public à qui c'était destiné, soit faire un truc complètement beaucoup plus arty, à la Blotch, tu vois, enfin un truc plus arty pour que ça plaise à un public qui aime la BD franco. J'ai un peu de mal à me situer en tant qu'auteur, en vrai, c'est un défaut que j'ai, hein. Il faut réussir à adapter ton graphisme aux personnes à qui tu vas vendre ton album, en fait. Tu vois. Ce que Soulia, par exemple, il arrive à vachement bien faire quand il fait Tali. Il le fait carrément en mode manga, tu vois, pour vendre aux gens à qui lisent du manga, et ça marche. Le problème, c'est que moi, j'ai pas envie de faire un trait différent de ce que je fais d'habitude juste pour le vendre plus. Donc, voilà. J'ai le cul entre deux chaises, comme on dit, et ce qui fait que je suis un pauvre gars. Un pauvre con. Megan Baker Art. Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for liking my curls. Do you like my accent? It's not forced at all. On va écouter Ori and the Will of the Wisps. The Wasps. And we will take a little break. Non, mais Will of the Wisps, Ori, OST. OST. What? Okay. It was the Xbox sound, why not? Tu es dans le sweet spot. Tu appelles ça le sweet spot? Non, c'est pas assez grand public, clairement. J'aurais dû faire un truc comme Lou, tu vois. Beaucoup plus coloré, un trait beaucoup plus grand public. Perséphone, mes dessins, si je peux faire ma propre analyse de moi-même, c'est un style de dessin qui plaît aux dessinateurs. C'est pas un style de dessin qui plaît au grand public. Ça se voit quand tu vas en convention et quand le grand public il vient et qui feuillette ton truc et qui le refait vite fait. Mais les dessinateurs, eux, ils kiffent. Le problème, c'est pour qui je dessine. Moi, j'en sais rien. Moi, je dessine pour moi, du coup, je dessine pour les dessinateurs. Voilà. Voilà. Juste trouve quelqu'un. Exactement. C'est exactement ce que je devrais faire. Eh bien, oui. Et c'est ce que je devrais faire. T'as tout à fait raison. On y va. C'est la pause. And I will speak back in English after the break. It was just to explain something about the comic book industry in France, so it's not really interesting for you American people and people speaking in English but not American, but hey, you're speaking in English but you're not American, what is your life? It's a joke, sarcasm, blah blah, I explained 1,000 times. It's my break, let me go and have a tea. A cup of tea in my water. A cup of tea. Mon accent anglais est toujours aussi crappy. Faisons plus aucun effort. My accent is really crappy. Okay. I'm done saying shit.